Welcome back to our sister's house crash. We are in her kitchen. We just finished up the cabinets, added some serious character to those, and now it's time to paint them. What's one of our #1 questions?
One of our #1 questions is, do you have a tutorial for how you paint cabinets? And there are a lot of different ways to paint cabinets. We are gonna share with you the way that we have found a lot of success painting them, and that's with chalk paint.
A lot of you will buy older homes with builder grade cabinets that have lots of different finishes on them. One way we found to cover those is to use chalk paint.
Yeah, we've got a few tips that are gonna make you have a great finish and make it a little bit easier. We've taken the door off of the hinges. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is use a degreaser or something that you can clean the cabinets with. You don't need to put a primer on them. We don't use a primer for it. And you're gonna need a couple of cans of chalk paint. So we have already cleaned our cabinets, and so we're gonna show you exactly how we paint it. Now you're gonna wanna get these brushes. These are chalk paint brushes, and we're gonna put a link in the description box below.
Yes, so what we're gonna be doing is using a light gray chalk paint. Did you already say we're linking to that?
Nope.
Okay, we're gonna link to that too. So we're using a light gray chalk paint. We think it's gonna be so awesome with the new driftwood backsplash and the white countertops. And the tip here is to put some on the end of your brush, and then we're just barely dabbing that into some water. And I do think the technical term is dab.
Dab.
So you want to dab that into water.
Dab.
Yes, so we're gonna be dabbing.
If you don't do it, you'll feel like it kind of gets a little bit sticky, like it's trying to dry and it's kind of thick. This is just a really great way to make it smooth.
So what we're doing is we're gonna go around the frame of the door first and get in all of that trim. And once that is dry, then we'll start on the inside panels.
Coat-wise, we end up putting about 3 coats on it. You see a little grain after the first coat, second coat's a little bit better, third is like money.
Money, yeah, that's the money stroke.
So we will move on to the next doors.
But we'll also have our sister paint a lot of them too.
Yeah, we're gonna call in for reinforcements.
We've shown you the doors, and now we're gonna move on to the bases or the frames of the cabinet. So we've pulled the drawers out. You can totally empty them and lay them up. However, we're gonna keep them right here and paint them right here. And now we're gonna tape off. So all we're using is blue painter's tape. I'm going along the shoe mold of the cabinet, and that way all that is protected. I don't wanna get paint on my countertops either. So I'm gonna go, actually my sister would probably appreciate it if I didn't get paint on her countertops. All right, so we've got everything taped off, we got the floor protected, and now we're doing exactly what we did on those doors, but we're coming along the frame and doing it. After this gets finished up, we'll put a couple of coats of finish on everything, and then we'll move on to the hardware.
Alright, you ready?
I need a mic. Oh wait, I already have one.
Come on. Okay, sister.
Okay, Shady Sister. On 3. Okay, I'm sorry. My phone just said, you can still do it. Keep trying to walk around. Like I haven't hit my
stop.
goal yet.
Okay,
Hey, what's going on?
all right.